We're here in Painesville, Minnesota with a homeowner. This is Directory claim number 5. Just grabbing quick testimonial, what went wrong here. So guide me through your experience. You hired a contractor who's a roofing company. What did you hire them for?
I hired them to do the siding on my house, and well, obviously things did not work out so well. The siding was poorly done, and so this is when I contacted you.
What went wrong with the job? Like, how long did it take them, and like when did you find out that they don't know what they're doing?
It took less than a week to get the job done.
Okay.
They were actually pretty quick. When I knew that things were not going right was when they tried to put siding over rotten wood.
I see.
And I had to stop them. And it just progressed from there, just noticing things how they were doing, putting the wrong colors of silicone next to the color of the house, and it was pretty rough looking.
Did you give them a chance to fix it? How was the communication? What happened?
I did. I had contacted him first and his company first and tried to get them to come back out here to address some of the things I had concerns with, and it just kept being lack of communication. They were getting back with me, just kind of just dropped it. We actually had other things in the contract, and he just kind of completely just left it alone at that point.
Awesome. How did it all got fixed?
With your company. I had the sign in my yard and a senior guarantee that you backed the contractor, so I had reached out through email and started the process that way.
You happy with the results?
I'm very happy with the results. I think it looks great and very satisfied.
Thank you so much. Would you recommend Directory to others?
Yes, I would definitely recommend Directorii.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Yes, thank you.